Okay guys, I'm going to prepare, I want to clean up this bolt. This is for the lister, for the fan. So I want to prepare myself for startup, for the continuation of the shutout video where all the old machine run. So I want to put the fan back and the radiator for that session. So let me clean this quickly up. Okay, and I learned my lesson. Bring you back. Okay, let's try guys. Right, something like that. Okay. Okay, now we can I'll take the radiator out for us, but it is in a terrible state guys. Beware, and you will see. Okay guys, you've never seen something like this. Okay, this is the radiator. The tin work is very good, but this was so rotten that if you pour water in, this whole section was like a waterfall. So there was no way that I could fix it. And then one day I decided just to cut it out and try to seal it in the insides, because these sections will be enough for cooling, because the machine do no work. But in any case, after I've done this, it still leaks here and there, but there was still some leaks on top. So it was a total no go for this inner part. So I need a new one. It is easy to remove. If I remember right, this came loose. Yeah, it came loose easy. It is just held on here by this two screws or bolts, and that too. And if you have a new core, it will be great, but I'll never find one in South Africa. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on, and there will be no water flow, but it will at least looks complete. And what I'm going to do in the front is I'm going to put something here that just looks great for the moment. And yeah, that's all I can do, because I will never find one here, never, and it's too expensive to import from England. So that's what we're going to do. So it looks complete. I've already put now the fan on, as you see, and the fan belt. So let's do this quickly. Okay guys, let's put the radiator on. You can see there I've got the fan belt on. other side. Okay, I'll tie it up with a spanner. That looks good. Let's see how it looks. It stands a little bit to the forward, so I need to fasten it there. Okay, and you can see from the front how it's supposed to look. And I have the cap, I'll put it on now. Look like an old tractor from this side, old Fordson or something. Okay, let me secure that bottom one and get the cap. Okay guys, and here is the cap, and this is a full copper, solid copper cap. It shines up very nice. With also this part is copper, and there's a whole lot areas on the lister that is copper. There as well, not this, but there and here, and so on. Okay, just for the sake of it, let's give it a turn with the fan and radiator in place. Not start, that will come up. Okay, that is really cool. So I think we have a complete machine, but obviously bad radiator. Okay guys, I think this is a video where we prepare for the lister for a startup. Just gonna fix everything and make something nice in front. Right, see you on the next one guys, for preparation on other machines as well. Bye.